Hey everybody, welcome back with a new video. I'm Jamie, this is Film Empire, and welcome back with a new video in quite a while. I was very busy with school and work, but also because I've been working on my latest short film, Energy, which has been released by now. So before watching this video, make sure to check out the short film Energy and also check out the side-by-side comparison of before and after editing. Make sure to watch those two videos before watching this video because it will actually be quite spoiler heavy. I'm going to talk about how I made Energy, and at the end of this video I will also show some behind the scenes footage. So let's start right after the intro. So this video actually started off with an idea that I had in my mind for a long time. I knew that I wanted to film something in a park, which is very nearby where I live, and I also wanted to do something with this energy ball type effect. But with that in mind, it actually took me quite a long while to come up with the actual storyline that made sense and that had a nice little story in it. I started off with choosing the music that I wanted to use in this video because then I could write the story around the music, which made sure that the theme and the pacing of the story matched the music, and that would create a coherent piece. I wrote down the storyline that I came up with on a single sheet of paper by the means of a timeline. This meant that I could add or remove certain actions that I wanted to have in my short film, and it also gave a really nice overview which I could write off of. After that, I wrote the actual script, which took me like a few hours, not long at all. If you want to read the script, you can just go to bit.ly/energy script and you can find it on my website, and there you can read the entire script and you can just see how it actually turned out. Now, the short film was shot on a Sunday and was released the next Monday, which meant that I had to work very quickly, and this is also why the trailer for the short film was created the Wednesday before we actually shot anything. The trailer is actually very similar to the beginning portion of the short film, so I could edit it and then repurpose it in the actual short film, which meant that I created the trailer and also the first part of the film. And then the shoot day came. It was a Sunday afternoon actually, and after the three actors met at my house, we went to the park. As I said, I live very close by it, so we just went there and started filming. I didn't have much with me at all. I just had the camera that I'm filming on right now, also the tripod. I had my Zoom H1 and the lavalier mic that I'm using right now, so that's just 4 pieces of equipment. I also just had the script with me, and those were the only things that I took with me, so I had not much gear at all. And it's like nice to see that you can create something fun with not a lot of gear. Now, I wrote the script in such a way that I could attach the lavalier mic to one actor at a time, and I wrote it in such a way that I didn't have to record an entire dialogue with just one microphone, but I had it set up so that all of the pieces could be recorded with a proper microphone, and this made sure that the audio of this short film is way better than all of the past films that I've done. So after the filming was done, I sorted out the footage on my computer and I started editing right away. Now, opposed to some other projects that I've done in the past, I actually followed an editing structure this time. This meant that I started with the rough cut, then I refined it, I added the visual effects and color to it. After that, I added the audio effects and the music, which I licensed from audionetwork.com. And after that, I added the captions, and that was it. And because I worked in a very structured way, this made it very easy for me to see what I had to do after that, and that created a very solid workflow. Now, if you want to see what my project file looked like, you can actually go to the before and after. I actually think it's very fun to see that video because you can see the raw footage that I captured and what it looks like after a lot of post-production. You can also see the timeline there, the entire thing. So you should check that out using the link in the description. And when the video was done, I uploaded it to YouTube. I added a thumbnail, also added captions in English and in Dutch, so you can actually turn on the closed captions if you need to. That is possible. And after that, the entire project was done. And that is how I made my short film Energy. So let's go right on to the behind the scenes.
Hello everybody, welcome back with a new video. I'm Jamie from Film Empire. This is Mel, this is Sander, this is Niels. They will be playing in the short film Energy that we are...
Welcome to my Energy!
Okay, they'll be playing in the short film Energy that we'll be recording today. So let's start. Jullie moeten een stukje meer deze kant op, want Sander moet nog van hier aankomen.
Ja.
Sander die kijkt zo een beetje met je hoofd naar beneden, kom je zo langs, oké?
Oké.
Jij zegt tegen Sander, sorry sir, there's an investigation going on, you need to leave. Zeg je tegen Sander, oké? En dan zegt Sander, my bad, oké? En dan loop jij door, jullie lopen verder. Oké, begin maar. Ja, met je handen langs je zij. Dus jullie lopen die kant op, kijken naar voren. Mels, jij spreekt daar dan. Oké, probeer maar. De camera, die volgt eerst hun. Als jij aangesproken wordt, blijft hij jou zo'n stukje volgen. Dan zegt hij, wacht, dan zegt hij van, wait, stop. En dan draai ik zo weer terug. Kun je dat even uitproberen? Dan probeer ik het ook meteen even uit met de camerabeweging en hoe alles moet. Dus jullie staan op positie. En dan... actie. Ja, wat? Sorry sir, there's an investigation going on. Je mist je hele lijn. En actie.
Sorry sir, there's an investigation going on over there and you need to leave. Wait! Stop! It's him!
Dus jullie moeten hier zo meteen staan zoals jullie net stonden. Jij stond hier zo omgedraaid van, wait, it was him. Jij stond daarnaast, oké?
Ja.
Wat? Ja, er staat daar een pad, maar dat maakt niet uit. Jij staat daar, achter de bosjes. Ik kom zo meteen daar bij jou in die bosjes staan. Dan film ik zo van jullie. Ik film jullie dan daar staan, zo rondkijken van waar is hij gebleven, oké? Sander, kan jij met je hoofd zeg maar een beetje er zo omheen kijken? Ja, zo, mooi. De camera draait mee naar hem. Oké, dus de camera draait mee naar hem. Laat hem doen. Ja, dus een beetje een stukje opzij naar hem toe. Dan weer terug. En dan zegt jij zegt, there he is. En dan rennen jullie hier deze kant op, Sander, jij rent dan weg. Oké?
Hier staan?
Ja, jij moet eigenlijk de hele tijd inderdaad daar staan.
Die kant op zo.
Ja, inderdaad. En dan achter ze rennen. Dus jullie komen... Ja, maar ze staan echt hier dichtbij wel. Dus jullie komen aanrennen. Kom maar tot hier rennen. Ja, even uittesten. Dus jullie komen hier aanrennen. Dan kijk ik. Dus Mels, Sander, jij staat dan echt achter me. Echt vlak naast me. Ik haat jou zo erg. Dan draait de camera zo. Opzij. Van opzij. En dan kijkt de camera echt zo rond van waar hij is. En dan hier achter. En Sander, jij moet echt zo staan. Ja. En dat was het laatste shot. Dat was een wrap.
Nu zijn we klaar.
We zijn klaar.
Nou,
Dat is een wrap.
okay guys, that was it for
A chicken
today.
wrap.
Hi there, thanks for watching. Click here to see my latest video, click here to see a highlighted one, and click here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.